Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alicia, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Karma and Luck. So here is a little thank you card. I really love it when a brand takes time to thank you, and they do so with a cute little envelope. It just shows their appreciation and ups the value of the package for me. And here is a little booklet of the item that I ordered and just instructions on how to use it and how to set everything up. If you guys have an idea of what you think I ordered, put it in the comments below before I actually unbox it. And in here is an authenticity card. There's also another item inside of this envelope. It's a little card where you can write down your manifestations. One thing I forgot to do is to take it out of the box before unboxing it so you guys could get a better look. So the item that I ordered is the Tree of Life, and I got the Aventurine version. This is for prosperity and wealth. This was the largest size tree. On the back there, you can see the feng shui map. So if you're curious where you should put it in your house, they have instructions on where you can put it. So the instructions for the tree is that for shipping, they have to push the branches down. So all you have to do is just lightly lift the branches back up and put it back into shape. It's very beautiful. It's very well made. The bottom is made with agate. As I mentioned earlier, the tree does come in different sizes. This is the largest size that they had on their website. Wow, how beautiful. Abundance, wealth, all of that is coming to us this year. Believe, manifest, do the work, and you will see results. Never give up on your dreams.